Hello friends, schoolsteps.in welcomes you again. In the last tutorial, we showed the current time on the watch face, though the time was not running. In this tutorial, we'll run the time on our watch face. Other than that, we will work on the ambient mode and interruption filter. Let's do it. Open Android Studio and open the project on which we worked last. Open the file analog watch face service. Just after the declaration of handler, right here, we need to define another method with the name update timer. Now inside this method, we need to say update time handler, which is the object of the class handler, dot remove messages. Choose the first one, and inside the parameter you need to pass message update time. If you remember, this is a variable which you have declared right here. Now next we need to say if should timer be running exactly the same as we are doing in the handler class, and then we need to say update time handler dot send empty message, which is right here, and in the parameter we need to pass message update time. Now if you observe right here in the handler class, we are saying send empty message delayed, and right here in the update timer method we are saying send empty message. Let's go inside this message, and if you observe, eventually it is making a call to the send empty message delayed. Let me put one log statement here. Now we need to call the method update timer, and we need to call it in the method on visibility changed. So right here after the super we need to call the update timer. Save it. So next we need to work on the on ambient mode changed method. So right here we need to call the invalidate. As I said earlier, we need to call the invalidate every time we need to redraw our watch face. Next we need to call the update timer method. In the similar way, inside the on time tick method we need to call invalidate. One more thing that we need to do is we need to override the method on destroy. So all we are doing in this method is we are removing the message as we are doing right here inside the update timer. Save it and let's run our program now. Here is the output of our program. You can see that time is running on the watch face. Let's click on this button to go in the ambient mode. The moment we are in the ambient mode, the second's hand is invisible to us. Let's click on this button again to come out of the ambient mode. The moment we are in the interactive mode, the second's hand is visible to us. Now let's understand the interruptions. Take the cursor here, hold the left button of your mouse and pull down the menu. Here are the three interruptions. The first one says show all. Click here. It will show you the second one, which is none. Click here again. It will show you the third one, which says priority only. Now let's go back to our service. Now here we need to work on the on interruption filter changed. Now let's declare one boolean variable here, and let's say interruption filter, which we are getting from the parameter, is equal to watch face service, which is right here, dot, let's say interruption filter none. So we have three filters here. One is the filter all, second one is the filter none, and third one is the filter priority. Let's work on the filter none. What exactly will happen if from the VA device or from the emulator we choose interruption none, then this value will be true. Next, let's put one log statement, and next say if in mute mode, then do something, else do something. In the if condition, let's set the alpha value of hour, minute and second, and after that let's call the invalidate method. So we have set the alpha value to 100 for all three. That means if we are in the mute mode, these three hands will be more transparent. In the else condition, let's bring it back and let's put the values to 255 for all three. There is one extra bracket, we need to remove it. Let's run our program now. Here is the output. You can see that the alpha value of all the three hands is 255 and the colors are completely visible. Let's change the interruption. Let's make it none. Pull it up, and you can see that the alpha value has been changed to 100 and all three hands are comparatively more transparent now. Let's bring it back. Let's make the interruption show all again, and the colors are back. That is it. Friends, with this I take your leave. Thank you so much. Please like our page on facebook.com/letsandroid. If you have any query, do write us at info@schoolsteps.in or schoolstepsin@gmail.com. Thank you.